Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a portrait of the incredibly captivating Timothée Chalamet. But before we pick up our pencils, let's delve into his fascinating biography. It'll add depth and meaning to our drawing, allowing us to capture more than just a likeness. We'll be capturing the essence of this unique talent. This isn't just about sketching a face, it's about understanding the person behind the iconic roles. Here's how Timothée's life story informs our artistic process. Early life and artistic beginnings. Knowing about his upbringing and early interest in acting helps us understand the foundation of his career and the passion that fuels him. This understanding can translate into a more nuanced portrayal in our drawing. The rise to fame. From his breakout role in Call Me by Your Name to his diverse and compelling roles since, we'll explore the evolution of his persona and on-screen presence. Choosing a specific era or role can guide our style and expression. His versatility and range. Timothée seamlessly transitions between dramatic roles and more lighthearted characters. Understanding this range allows us to approach the drawing with versatility, capturing the mood and personality of the chosen reference image. His unique style and aesthetics. Timothée's fashion choices, from classic to edgy, greatly contribute to his public image. We can incorporate elements of his style into our artistic choices, giving our drawing a distinct flair. His public persona. Timothée is known for his charm and authenticity. We'll discuss ways to capture these elements, the quiet intensity, the subtle smile, to truly bring the portrait to life. By understanding Timothée Chalamet's journey and persona, we're not just drawing a famous actor, we're drawing a complex individual with a profound artistic voice. This knowledge will guide our artistic choices and ultimately create a drawing that's richer and more evocative. So, grab your pencils and let's get started. Let's bring Timothée to life on paper. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. Let me know in the comments which Timothée Chalamet role inspires you the most.